Hello, my name is Joe Morris. I'm with The Agent's Advisor, theagentsadvisor.com. I want to welcome you to today's webinar. Today we are going to talk about the ACA market and why short-term major medical. Before we get started, I want to welcome you to today's webinar and welcome you to Advisor TV. We bring you great content and information talking about products, sales tools, ideas, concepts, along with special guest interviews. Today's webinar is being brought to you by theagentsadvisor.com, MedPlan Network, Benefits Resource Systems, Benetrust, and a host of other great content and tools and providers and partners in what we do at theagentsadvisor.com. I want to say hello to you that are on this webinar. If you're watching live or watching on demand, we want to say thank you for attending. If you're not familiar with the Agent's Advisor, theagentsadvisor.com is the host portal where you can go to our website and see the who's who and what we do. We have some great links here on our site. If you'll look here on the screen, we have a products and services tab, a sales tools tab. There you can find all the quote engines for Medicare, under 65 health, final expense, term life and UL, annuity. We will be adding a group quote engine for group medical benefits along with some other products as well. We'll be adding short-term quoting tools on this side of the website under sales tools as well. Under our resources tab, check it out. It's the who's who and what we do in terms of the links to the top trade publications, the top sources for information such as Medicare.gov. If you're looking for product specifics, we'll continue to be adding to this. And for my friends that are in the employee benefits business, be sure to check out Benefits Resource Systems, the website there. Benefits Resource Systems is our partner for all things benefits. They provide professional advice, comprehensive benefits, and affordable peace of mind. Also, check out MedPlan Network. If you are an agency or a financial planning firm, whether it be property and casualty or retirement planning, and Medicare or medical insurance is not in your future or not in your wheelhouse, go to medplannetwork.com. Right here you can learn about what we do. There at MedPlan Network we offer a myriad of health insurance products for your clients, whether it be in the individual market or commercial group market. You can also refer your client under the Refer Your Client tab. Here you can put your information for yourself and for your client. That information, once you hit submit, will go to our virtual agent, and our virtual agent will help you get that person enrolled into a good medical plan that will fit their budget and their health insurance needs. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to contact MedPlan Network. Here's their contact information and email address. And if you're just viewing today and you're looking to get a quote for yourself, just fill out this quote form and a virtual agent will help you get enrolled into a health plan that will fit your budget and fit your needs. If you're an agent that would like to be put on the referring agent program, just let us know. We'll be glad to help you on that as well. So the Agent's Advisor, theagentsadvisor.com. Once you are on our homepage, scroll down. Here you'll find some other great tools and support systems in place for you. If you're wanting to get some agents licensed, we have a pre-licensing school and outlet for you there. If you need to get continuing education credits, just click on our tab. Here you can see we have an online self-study pre-licensing course along with online CE courses. Our online CE platform will give you access to the course catalog of all the top plans, so you can select what you're looking for by state, hit continue, I'll take you right into that. So take a look at that as well when you get a chance. The online self-study, you can enroll into your online courses based upon the state you're looking to get licensed in, and this is for new producers. The classroom pre-licensing, just fill out the contact form and a representative will reach out to you and give you the date, time, and location of the licensing school so you can get your life, health, and accident license. And that's for Indiana residents only for the face-to-face classroom. The online is anywhere in the United States. We have some other great tools here. Agency marketing. If you need help because you've had some issues on background or tax issues and you're having a difficult time getting contract with a carrier, take a look at our tax help and legal services site as well. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. You can contact us direct. Our toll-free number is here at 877-886-4829. You can email us, info@theagentsadvisor.com. We're located in beautiful Noblesville, Indiana, downtown on the square. It's a historic area. A lot of things happening good here in Noblesville, Indiana. But we want to welcome you no matter if you're in Indiana or if you're in California, Florida, Texas, Tennessee. We want to welcome you to The Agent's Advisor, theagentsadvisor.com. So let's go ahead and get started in today's webinar. I want to go ahead and introduce this to you again and tell you that today we're going to get into the ACA market. We're going to talk about why short-term major medical and explain to you some opportunities in the under 65 market. What does that mean? The under age 65 individual market is a great opportunity still. There's a lot of buzz, with the Affordable Care Act, what is required, what's not, penalties or no penalties. But there's also some opportunities for some solutions in the under 65 individual market. And you're going to hear a lot of buzz about all these new plans rolling out and saving significant dollars by enrolling into a plan. My opinion is when it comes to under age 65 major medical and you're looking for an alternative to the high cost or high price of an ACA plan, or the fact that you live in a market that there are limited carriers in the plan, you might be a candidate for an alternative that we're going to talk about today. And let's go ahead and get right into that. So what is short-term health insurance? Short-term health insurance is temporary major medical insurance. You'll have your choice of deductible options, co-insurance options, office copay options, PPO and non-PPO plans. There's lifetime maximums and they vary by the plan, and they're renewable for those that qualify. The key benefits of a short-term health insurance plan is they're affordable, they're easy, there's instant approval, accept, reject underwriting. These plans typically don't cover pre-existing conditions, so the ideal candidate for a short-term major medical plan will be somebody with limited or no pre-existing conditions, somebody that's fairly healthy, somebody that's looking for an alternative from a price standpoint but still wants comprehensive major medical coverage. These plans are customizable with coverage periods. You can write child-only coverage. It's a great fit for those looking for short-term needs. It's a great fit for those looking for an affordable medical insurance option versus the ACA option. And it's a great fit for employers looking to offer voluntary coverage for employees in plan waiting periods. So if you've got yourself a number of group clients and they have these 30, 60, 90, or 120 or 180 day waiting periods built into their health plan, this is a nice solution to offer on a voluntary basis for new hires. It's also an excellent opportunity for you to show this to your clients that are looking for an alternative to the high cost associated with an ACA plan. And for those that just are looking for a short-term need to be met, this is a good option for them. So a little stats and facts about short-term health insurance trends. One is that 61% of short-term health plan buyers just need temporary coverage. 27% buy short-term medical plans because of their affordability. 51% of short-term health plan buyers say they would be uninsured if not for the availability of short-term medical. In 2017, the average short-term premium was $79 a month for a 30-year-old. Comparing deductibles of 2017 short-term health plans, the average deductible was $34.34. That's $3,434, which is on average about $2,658 less than the average deductible for a bronze plan under the Affordable Care Act or an ACA plan. So people may need short-term health insurance coverage And we got a couple examples here. Here, meet Mary. Mary is between jobs. She has 2 children. She's in good health. It happens quite often. Mary's job was cut unexpectedly. She's looking for her next job right now, but until then, she needs health insurance for herself and her 2 young children. They are all in good health, so a few simple medical questions on an application are not going to be a problem for them. Mary knows that one accident or serious illness could be financially devastating to her family. That's why she chose a short-term health insurance plan. It gives her affordable temporary coverage for the protection she and her family need, and there are added features that are not included on other short-term health insurance plans. And we'll give you some examples of this. So if you are trying to help your client look for good pricing, if you're in need of easy online quoting and enrollment tools, you like the idea of accept, reject underwriting, if you want to be able to quote multiple plan options, and you're looking for more than just a 30, 60, or 90-day coverage period, the 3x4 coverage option is a great option. What that means is you can do 4 consecutive 90-day plans, which would give you a full 12 months worth of coverage, and we call that the 3x4. And what that means is when your client enrolls into this short-term plan and they select the 3x4 option, they will be given 4 90-day policies, but you have 1 application process. So at the time of the initial application, your client, as they answer those questions and they select the 3x4 option, their plan will be underwritten and either accepted or rejected. In this case, we're going to say they were accepted. That plan will auto-renew every 90 days without new underwriting and give them an auto-renew every 90 days to give them coverage up to 12 months. What's nice about that is if you've got a client currently uninsured and they are insurable, they could take this as an option. And they could take this plan as an option to save premium but still have comprehensive coverage to cover them or their family in the event that something happened, that they or a family member was to have a health condition that incurred or happened while they're covered under this plan, and they were not able to renew after the initial 3x4 coverage period. Their worst case scenario, they could enroll into an ACA qualified plan. So let's take a look at this a little bit. So what I'm saying is, here it is. We're in the middle of June. You have a client that enrolls into a plan for a July 1st effective date, and they're going to go with the 3x4 option. We know that with the open enrollment period, always in the 4th quarter of the year, that gives guaranteed issue access to a health plan under the Affordable Care Act, a qualified health plan that you would enroll your client in on healthcare.gov. If they had to drop this coverage because they developed a condition and they would need to have guaranteed renewable coverage, their worst case scenario is they could be on this short-term plan and disenroll in it and enroll into an ACA qualified plan with a January 1 effective date. All the while, they've had comprehensive major medical coverage up to that point, and that coverage would cover any claims incurred during that period, subject to the pre-existing clause within the policy. But they would have coverage and they'd have no gap in coverage, and in the event they did develop a pre-existing condition while covered, they could automatically disenroll in this and put themselves onto an ACA qualified plan. The reason I like this as an option, beyond the fact that it has good commissions, beyond the fact that when you get appointed and signed up with us, you'll have free web quoting and enrollment portal access that you can put on your website link, and we'll provide you with a URL that will give you the ability to link the quoting tool and the enrollment portal on your own website. If you don't have a website, give us a call, talk to us. We can help you build one. It's very, very affordable to build your website. We have a team that does that for agents, and we can also build out your social media platform and so on. But for the sake of today, talking about short-term major medical and this free web quoting and enrollment portal tool, to have that available on your website You can drive your clients to your website and they can quote their own plans, enroll themselves into their own plans. All the while you are getting credit for those plans being enrolled as the agent of record because they entered the plan through your portal at the short-term carrier's website. So we can explain that to you in much more detail later. But the reason I like short-term major medical is because you're seeing a lot of buzz about limited benefit or scheduled benefit health plans being marketed by several companies, and some of the big names are marketing them also. I'm not a fan of scheduled benefits simply because there's too much exposure for you, the agent, to sell a health insurance plan under the idea that it's going to be a band-aid or a possible financial solution for them versus the high-cost, high-priced ACA plans that are available on healthcare.gov. I highly, highly, highly encourage you to reconsider that notion, that idea that you think you can, you'll be helping your client by enrolling into a scheduled benefit plan, because they are for some people, but I don't think they really are for everybody. I would rather see you as an advisor or an agent enroll your client into a short-term major medical plan that gives them true major medical coverage. In the event that they have something catastrophic happen, that they're going to have a full major medical plan with, yes, there'll be lifetime limits, $1 million, $2 million, and so forth, depending upon the plan, but at least they're going to have comprehensive coverage instead of a scheduled benefit that you'd have to have almost a perfect scenario for it to really pay out in a big way to help cover those costs. What I like about short-term major medical is just that, and it gives me peace of mind knowing that agents and advisors in the marketplace that are working with their clients, they're really giving the best option. And I believe that if they're not going to enroll in the ultimate option, and that is a ACA qualified health plan with full guaranteed renewable health insurance, then they have to look at the short-term major medical plan as an option. Now, there are a number of plans out there, and I like quite a few of them actually. But the one that I found that is really unique and is a great alternative to scheduled benefits and to limited benefit health plans, that would be Pivot Health short-term health insurance. In the coming days, we're going to do some more in-depth training on this product. But in the meantime, I wanted to highlight it today. I wanted to give you a little intro to it, and I wanted to show you what that means to you. Currently, their product availability by state, you can see here in the blue states, these are the states that this product is currently available in. They may have expanded this, but this is the information I have for you today. They are going to be in future states, and those future states are in the yellow, this gold color here. The gray states, currently there's no coverage available. So if you are in Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Delaware, the District of Columbia, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky, Michigan, Mississippi, Nebraska, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, West Virginia, Wisconsin, or Wyoming, this product is available in your state. Be watching for the revisions for all the other states, such as Missouri, Louisiana, North Carolina, Minnesota, for those states to be coming in the future. So what's next? Do you have questions? If you have questions, call us at 877-886-4829. Do you need training? Then let us know. You can call us or email us. Do you have a case to submit? Are you ready to get started? Well, let's get the contracting started today. What we can do is we'll send you the contracting for Pivot Health, and we'll show you how to get onto our website, and you can quote these plans now. But once you're contracted and fully appointed with Pivot Health, you can start marketing and selling the product. Once you're approved, a URL will be sent to your email address that you can take that URL and attach it to your website, and you can now give your clients the ability to go right to your website and enroll themselves and quote their plans, and you can be on the phone with them and answer any questions that they have. Again, we appreciate you. Give us a call at 877-886-4829. Email us at info@theagentsadvisor.com. And we want to say thank you Thank you for doing business with us. It's been a great 2018. We've got agents all over the nation working with us. They're using our tools. They're taking our information. They're subscribing to our YouTube channel, and they're getting all the great interviews, the product trainings, the other trainings we make available on our YouTube channel. We ask that you go to our YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is Advisor TV. You'll see this logo, our logo. Click on that, and then you'll be on our Advisor TV YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook, connect with us on LinkedIn, and as always, we want to say thank you and make it a great day.